Hey everyone, welcome back to Space Unveiled, where we discover the infinite. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the natural satellites of our solar system. From Jupiter's huge satellites to Neptune's icy companions, let's take a closer look at these fascinating worlds. The term moon refers to a natural satellite that orbits a planet, with most planets in our solar system having at least one. Some moons, notably Jupiter's Europa and Saturn's Enceladus, are thought to contain subsurface oceans, which raises the possibility that they could harbor life. Mercury and Venus. Let's start with the closest planets to the Sun, Mercury and Venus. These two planets don't have any moons. It's believed that the Sun's immense gravity makes it impossible for moons to form or remain in orbit around them. Earth, Moon, Luna, and temporary mini-moon. Our Earth has one permanent moon, Luna, which is the fifth largest moon in the solar system at 3,467 kilometers in diameter, and it plays a crucial role in stabilizing the planet's axial tilt, which helps regulate seasons and controls ocean tides through its gravitational pull. It also significantly influences Earth's climate and biological rhythms, making it crucial for life on our planet. It is the first extraterrestrial body that humans visited during the Apollo missions. Recently, on September 29, 2024, Earth gained a second temporary moon for about 2 months. This mini-moon, a small asteroid only a few meters wide, was captured by Earth's gravity. These mini-moons, like the one called 2020 CD3 in 2020, orbit Earth briefly before escaping back into solar orbit. Though short-lived, they offer a unique chance to observe an additional moon in our skies. Mars moon Phobos and Deimos. Phobos, the larger of the two moons, has a diameter of about 22 kilometers. It orbits Mars much closer than most moons orbit their planets. This proximity results in Phobos completing an orbit around Mars in just 7 hours and 39 minutes, faster than Mars rotates on its axis. Over time, Phobos is spiraling inward, and in approximately 50 million years, it may either collide with Mars or disintegrate, potentially forming a ring around the planet. Deimos, much smaller at about 12 kilometers in diameter. Unlike Phobos, it is gradually moving away from the planet. Deimos's orbit is much more stable, and it could potentially escape Mars's gravitational pull in the distant future. Both moons are believed to be captured asteroids from the asteroid belt, though this is still a subject of debate. However, the exact mechanism by which Mars captured them is still being researched. Their future paths, Phobos potentially becoming a ring and Deimos escaping, are just two of the many mysteries surrounding these Martian satellites. Jupiter, 79 moons, the Galilean moons. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is home to 79 known moons. The 4 largest, known as the Galilean moons, are especially noteworthy. Ganymede is 5,268 kilometers in diameter, which makes it the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than the planet Mercury. It is the only moon with a significant magnetic field, suggesting an internal dynamo effect. Its surface is a mix of 2 types of terrain, bright regions of ridges and grooves, and older, darker, heavily cratered regions. Callisto is known for being one of the most heavily cratered bodies in the solar system. Its surface is ancient and shows little evidence of geological activity. Scientists believe Callisto's subsurface might harbor a salty ocean, making it a candidate for further astrobiological exploration. Io is the most volcanically active object in the solar system, with more than 400 active volcanoes. Its surface is constantly being reshaped by these eruptions, leading to dramatic and colorful changes over time. The intense tidal forces from Jupiter's gravity cause its interior to remain molten, powering its volcanic activity. Europa. Beneath its icy shell, scientists suspect a global ocean exists, which could potentially harbor microbial life. Its surface is crisscrossed with cracks and ridges, believed to be caused by tidal forces from Jupiter. Europa is one of the top candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life within our solar system. Saturn, 145 moons, Titan and Enceladus. Saturn is known for its stunning rings and numerous moons, 145 of them to be exact. Let's focus on 2 of the most intriguing ones. Titan, the second largest moon in the solar system behind Ganymede, Titan has a thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. It's the only moon where we've found lakes and rivers, although they're made of liquid methane and ethane, not water. Enceladus. This small icy moon is famous for the plumes of ice erupting from its surface. The icy particles in the plumes also contribute to Saturn's E-ring, showing how active Enceladus is despite its size. These geysers suggest there's a subsurface ocean, and Enceladus has become a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Uranus, 27 moons, Miranda and Ariel. Uranus, tipped on its side, has 27 known moons, many of which are named after characters from literature. Two particularly fascinating ones are Miranda. This small moon of Uranus is known for its extreme geological diversity, featuring giant canyons, ridges, and some of the highest cliffs in the solar system. The Verona Rupes Cliff on Miranda is estimated to be over 20 kilometers, 12 miles high, making it one of the tallest known in the solar system. Its chaotic surface, which seems jumbled and reshaped, could be the result of past tectonic or impact-related processes. Ariel is one of the brightest and most geologically complex moons of Uranus, with its surface showing signs of intense past geological activity. Its surface is marked by deep valleys and fault lines, indicating tectonic movement in the past, possibly driven by internal heating or tidal forces. Some areas of Ariel show evidence of resurfacing, where older craters have been erased by younger, smoother terrain, suggesting cryovolcanic or tectonic activity. Neptune, 14 moons, Triton. Neptune has 14 known moons, and Triton is by far the most unique. Triton is one of the coldest objects in the solar system, with temperatures dropping to minus 235 degrees Celsius. It orbits Neptune in the opposite direction retrograde, indicating it was likely captured from the Kuiper Belt. Triton also has cryovolcanoes that erupt nitrogen ice, contributing to its thin atmosphere. Pluto, 5 moons, Charon. Though Pluto is no longer classified as a planet, it has 5 known moons. The largest, Charon, is almost half the size of Pluto itself, making them a binary system. Charon's surface features include massive canyons, one of which is deeper and longer than the Grand Canyon. That wraps up our journey through the moons of the solar system. Each one has its own unique story and offers a glimpse into the complexity of our cosmic neighborhood. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If you want to know more, click the link in the description below, which will take you to our website. Till then, keep looking up at the stars.